家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我係美甲。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine. And this month we're gonna mention like professions that have to do with performing arts. 这个月呢会教一些跟艺文有关的一些职业了，就像我们嘛，对不对？还有歌手、歌星们啊，对。How do you say singer?
歌星。
歌星。For instance, Julia 彭佳慧是金曲奖客语跟华语的女歌手嘛 ，right? Julia Peng is a Golden Melody awarded Hakka and Mandopop female singer.
彭家輝係金曲獎，
彭家輝係金曲獎，
黑花老花兒，
黑花老花兒
都有大頂機，
都有大頂機。
什麼嘅歌星？
什麼嘅歌星？什麼嘅就是女歌手歌星，a female artist。這個華語叫做
花兒，
花兒 that's Mandarin and then 客語
黑花，
黑花 of course Hakka right？Okay, there's another artist 也很有名，他叫做田馥甄。Hebe, yes, Hebe 是廣受歌迷喜愛的歌手。Hebe is well received amongst her fans. How do you say that? She's very popular.
Hebe 係東蘇歌迷歡迎嘅歌星。
Hebe 係東蘇歌迷歡迎嘅歌星。就是非常受歡迎嘛，這受歡迎應該就是
東蘇歡迎。
東蘇歡迎。And that means very well received, very popular amongst her fans. All right, let's teach you some of the phrases we brought up and need to highlight, like 金曲獎 Golden Melodies,
金曲獎
金曲獎 and a fan 歌迷
歌迷
and finally a singer 歌星
歌星
And there you have it, another round of Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
漢字say
張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.